chemical reaction. This is called decomposition reaction. है ना? Decomposition, that is decompose, that is what? Breakdown. So the reaction, read it, reaction है ना, in which a single reactant break down into two or more substances. Remember, two or more substances. Earlier the opposite form we checked, two or more substances give single product, but here what? A single reactant break down to form two or more substances. This is called decomposition reaction. Now, to decompose or to break down, we require what? To break down what we require? Energy. Require what? Energy. So on the basis of energy required, it is of how many type? 3 type. We checked now already. It is of 3 types. First one is called what? Thermal decomposition. That is what? If heat is required for breakdown. Now, what? Example, you can check here the first one. When calcium carbonate CaCO3 solid is strongly heated, it decomposes to calcium oxide. That is what? Quicklime. Okay, calcium oxide, and also forms what? CO2 gas. So here one of the substance is getting breakdown into calcium oxide and CO2, that is 2 substances. Like here we can write reaction CaCO3 when strongly heated, it forms CaO plus CO2 gases releases. This is called what? What is its common name? It is called what? Limestone, or you can call it what? Chalk, or you can call it what? Marble. And this is what? Calcium oxide, which we used earlier activity. This is what? Quicklime, and this is carbon dioxide gas. Student, we can perform this experiment or activity right now with our available resources. Like here, available resources are what? I have a piece of chalk. Look at here. This is called calcium carbonate, and this is also its a powdered form. Now, if I heat it, using what? Heat. That is therm. Therm is called heat. We have to use gas burner, otherwise it will give black smoke. Look at here. It requires a very strong heating, not like that, low heating. Look at here. So this is what? Calcium carbonate, called what? Slacked lime. Okay, and the chemical name is calcium carbonate. Formula is CaCO3. So now here, look at here, releasing of gas, you can observe minutely. It is what? Carbon dioxide gas is getting releases, and this is what? Calcium oxide. Now, this calcium oxide when added to water, it forms what? Lactoline. This reaction, point to be noted, this reaction is just opposite of what? Combination reaction. Why it is just opposite of combination reaction? It is because here two or more reactant are combined, while in decomposition reaction one reactant is getting converted into 1 plus 1, that is two substances. Stop.